What's up everyone, Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be showing you how to remove the rear seat on your 94 to 04 coupe model Mustang. Removing the rear seat in your Mustang can be used for many different things, ranging from new upholstery to installing a rear seat delete on your SN chassis. Follow along and we'll show you what it takes to get these out. First, start off by accessing the rear seat bottom locks. I used a 1/4 inch extension to push in the release button. Do this on each side. Once you have the seat released, lift up and you can then pass the seat belt buckles through the foam. Now you can fully remove the seat bottom from the car. Next, moving on to the seat backs, locate the lower perimeter frame bolts. Starting on the driver's side, remove all of the 10mm bolts on the lower edge. Lower each of the seat backs at this time to access the 3 bolts on the top side. Now you can remove all of these as well. You just want to pull these out to give you more room for the seat back bolts. Pull up on the lower edge of the frame. Using a 16mm ratchet wrench, remove the seat retaining bolt on the outside edge. Once this is out, you can pull up and out on the seat back to free it from the vehicle. Repeat these steps for the other side. Alright everyone, this one is a very easy job to do and you can have it completed in less than a half an hour from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can be up to date every time we release new tech content like this one. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.